How to earn money by using Google Sheets. Are you looking for a way to earn money doing something you're good at? Do you have a knack for data analysis or project management? If so, you may be surprised to learn that you can turn those skills into a profitable business using a tool you probably already use every day, Google Sheets. That's right, the same tool you use to organize your personal finances or plan your vacation can also be used to help businesses and individuals with a wide range of tasks, from tracking inventory to analyzing sales data. In this article, we'll show you how to get started with earning money using Google Sheets and share tips on how to build a successful business doing work you enjoy. So grab a cup of coffee and get ready to learn how to turn your skills into a profitable business using Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a free web-based application similar to Microsoft Excel that allows you to create, edit, and share spreadsheets with others. With Google Sheets, you can easily organize your data, create charts, and collaborate with others in real time. So let's dive in and see how you can get started. Then we will share some steps to level up your game. To get started, you'll need to create a Google Sheet. Go to Google Drive, click on the New button, and select Google Sheets from the drop-down menu. Once you've created a new sheet, you can start entering your data. Entering data in Google Sheets is easy. Simply click on a cell and start typing. You can also use formulas to calculate data and create charts and graphs to visualize your data. To make money with Google Sheets, you'll need to have a clear understanding of the data you're working with. This means being able to analyze and interpret your data to make informed decisions. One of the best ways to make money using Google Sheets is by conducting market research. You can use Google Sheets to collect data on consumer behavior, market trends, and competition analysis. By analyzing this data, you can identify gaps in the market and find opportunities to create and sell products that meet the needs of your target audience. Another way to make money using Google Sheets is by tracking your investments. You can use Google Sheets to monitor your stocks, track your portfolio, and analyze market trends. By keeping track of your investments, you can make informed decisions on when to buy and sell stocks and maximize your profits. Google Sheets is also a great tool for managing your finances. You can create a budget, track your expenses, and monitor your cash flow. By having a clear understanding of your financial situation, you can make better decisions on how to spend your money and save more for the future. Finally, you can make money using Google Sheets by offering your skills as a freelancer. You can use Google Sheets to create spreadsheets for clients, track project progress, and manage deadlines. By providing quality work and excellent service, you can build a reputation as a reliable freelancer and attract more clients over time. What do you need to do to get started? Step 1. Identify your skills. To identify your skills, take some time to reflect on what you're good at. Think about what you enjoy doing and what comes easily to you. You may also want to consider your past work experiences and any education or training you've had. Once you have identified your skills, it's a good idea to practice them and hone them further. Take online courses, practice with Google Sheets templates, or even create mock projects to build your skills. It's also important to keep up with the latest trends and developments in the Google Sheets world. Stay up to date with new functions and features, and continue to learn and grow your skill set. Step 2. Build your portfolio. Your portfolio is a collection of examples that showcase your skills and expertise. This can be anything from a collection of charts and graphs to a fully functional Google Sheets template. When building your portfolio, it's important to choose examples that are relevant to the types of clients you're targeting. For example, if you're looking to work with small businesses, you may want to create templates or examples that relate to accounting or inventory management. You can also use your portfolio to highlight your unique selling points. For example, if you have a particular knack for data analysis or creating visually appealing charts and graphs, be sure to showcase that in your portfolio. Step 3. Find clients. Finding clients can be one of the biggest challenges in earning money with Google Sheets. There are many different ways to find clients, including job boards, social media, and freelance websites. When searching for clients, it's important to be clear about what you offer and how you can help them. Focus on the benefits you can provide, such as saving them time or improving their data analysis capabilities. You can also reach out to local businesses or organizations and offer your services. Attend networking events or conferences where you can meet potential clients and showcase your skills. Step 4. Offer your services. Once you've found clients, it's time to offer your services. This could include creating custom Google Sheets templates, organizing data, analyzing data, or creating charts and graphs. When offering your services, it's important to be clear about your rates and what's included in your services. You may want to offer different pricing tiers based on the complexity of the project or the level of service required. It's also important to set clear expectations with your clients, such as deadlines and communication preferences. Be open and transparent about your process and keep your clients updated on progress. Step 5. Expand your skills. As you work with clients and complete projects, you may find that you need to expand your skills to meet their needs. This could include learning more advanced data analysis techniques or mastering a specific Google Sheets function. To expand your skills, consider taking online courses or tutorials, attending conferences or workshops, or working with a mentor or coach. The more skills you have, the more valuable you'll be to your clients and the more opportunities you'll have to earn money. Step 6. Build your reputation. As you work with clients and complete projects, it's important to focus on building your reputation. This means providing high-quality work, meeting deadlines, and communicating effectively with clients. One effective way to build your reputation is to ask clients for testimonials or reviews that you can showcase on your portfolio website or social media profiles. You may also want to consider creating case studies or success stories that highlight the results you've achieved for your clients. Another way to build your reputation is to actively participate in online communities or forums related to your industry or niche. This can help you establish yourself as a thought leader and build relationships with potential clients. Step 7. Scale your business. As you build your reputation and gain more clients, you may want to consider scaling your business. This could involve hiring additional team members to help you with projects or expanding your services to include related offerings. To scale your business successfully, it's important to have a clear plan in place. This could include identifying target markets, creating a marketing strategy, and setting financial goals. It's also important to maintain the quality of your services as you scale. Make sure to hire team members who share your values and are committed to providing high-quality work, and continue to communicate effectively with your clients to ensure their needs are being met. Google Sheets is a powerful tool that can help you make money in a variety of ways. Whether you're conducting market research, tracking your investments, managing your finances, or offering your skills as a freelancer, Google Sheets can help you achieve your financial goals. Google Sheets also allows for collaboration and data sharing, making it a great tool for teams working on projects together. You can easily share your spreadsheet with others and allow them to edit and contribute to the data. This feature is especially useful for businesses and organizations where multiple teams may need access to the same data. By using Google Sheets, you can ensure that everyone has access to the most up-to-date information and work together to make informed decisions. One of the most powerful features of Google Sheets is the ability to create charts and graphs to visualize your data. By presenting your data in a clear and easy-to-understand format, you can more effectively communicate your findings to others. This is particularly useful for presentations and reports, where you need to convey complex information in a way that is easy for others to understand. With Google Sheets, you can create professional-looking charts and graphs that are sure to impress. Google Sheets also supports automation and macros, allowing you to streamline repetitive tasks and save time. By creating macros, you can automate tasks such as formatting, data entry, and calculations. Finally, Google Sheets integrates seamlessly with other Google tools, such as Google Drive and Google Docs. This means you can easily access and share your spreadsheets across multiple devices and collaborate with others in real time. Whether you're working on a document in Google Docs or storing files in Google Drive, Google Sheets makes it easy to access and share your data with others. This makes it a powerful tool for businesses and organizations that need to work together on projects across multiple teams and locations. There you have it, some of the many ways you can make money using Google Sheets. Whether you're conducting market research, tracking your investments, managing your finances, or offering your skills as a freelancer, Google Sheets can help you achieve your financial goals. So what are you waiting for? Start using Google Sheets today and start making money. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content.